Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. We live in a visually three-dimensional, multi-sided world. Everything we see has three basic dimensions: up, down, left, right, forward and backwards, and many sides. In today's Foxx Explains, I'm going to show how you can have a one-sided object. Picturing a three-dimensional object comes naturally to us. They are what we see all around us, have all three dimensions, and can have an unlimited number of sides. A cube has 6 sides, a pyramid 5, a cylinder 2 or 4 or 6 or 7, depending. A sphere, well, spheres can get a bit insane, so let's leave that one for the maths nerds. But what if I asked you to try and visualise a three-dimensional object with only one side? How would that even work? Hard to imagine, isn't it? Well, let me blow your mind by making one right now out of a two-sided object. Here are 2 strips of paper. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll ignore the negligible height of the paper to effectively simulate a two-sided object. With that assumption, both strips are two-sided. If I draw a line on this side of the strip, then it's clear that as a two-sided object, I can also draw a wiggly line on the other side. Now watch, with just a bit of tape and a very slight shenanigan, I can make something cool. Let's draw the straight line on this side first. Now let's draw the wiggly line. Oh, wait, hang on. The straight line goes all the way around and meets up. There's no other side for the wiggly line. Et violins, a simulated one-sided object. You're welcome.